I'm John from Robison Service. I'm here in the Enfield shops, and we are polishing up this Iso Lele and getting ready for its debut at the Quail in a few weeks. You want to just, let's have at it. And just look how this is coming out. It's just beautiful. It's just such a fine looking car. And check out that interior. Boy, look at that. It is a really fine looking piece. The hood polishing that you're seeing is just about the end of the job. This is a running, driving, complete car. It just needs finishing details, and we look forward to loading this on the transporter and sending it west. We are almost there. And I'm really proud to show you, and it's all Ray Millette here and our team, and this is our Team Boch in action on this thing. A very fine piece.